Hi all. When it comes to image, sometimes all we want is to remove the image background of our clicks. For example, take this image as an example. Here Robert Downey is bombed with people behind him. So likewise there are similar images where we have the requirement to remove the image background. So this can be done with an online website called RemoveBG. RemoveBG offers free automatic background removal where you get to upload or paste the image and they'll remove the background for free. So here they have given some real-time examples of removing the background and replacing it with a different image, and here they have shown a live demo of how precisely they can remove background for images. That's for people, this is for random products, and here you can see the background is removed for this pop image, and likewise for cars and for graphics and logos. So now let's quickly get into action. Copy the image and just paste it here. You can also upload your image from the computer, and now I'm going to hit Ctrl V. As soon as we paste the image, the background removal process takes place and the background is removed. Here you can notice that the background is precisely removed. Now we have three different options here: edit, preview the image, and view the image in high-res. When it comes to edit, here we have two options: to adjust the background image's blur and to upload or set a background image from the predefined template. Now I'm going to pick this bokeh background and adjust the blur to 2 points, and you can see that the image is more or less suitable. Now you can either download the image from here or close this model, or download the image without background and upload your own background using Photoshop or other tool. Now let's try with a pet image. You can see a lot of furry hairs over there. I'm going to do the same thing, Ctrl V. As soon as I paste the image, the background will be removed here. Wow, this is cool, right? Even in Photoshop it takes a lot of time, close to 10-15 minutes to remove background for these images. Now I'm going to pick a background from the presets in this website. I'm going to pick the same bokeh background and adjust the blur to 2 points. Here you can download the image with background, or you can download the image without background in PNG format. Here when you notice, you can download the images in two different sizes, low res and high res. Low res is okay, but if you need high res images, you need to have credits. For free plan, they'll provide only 1 credit. I've downloaded an image using that 1 credit. I'll show you later how it looks in Photoshop. But in case if you have to download a high-res image, you must be under paid plan. And apart from that, RemoveBG is available in your favorite design and coding tools. It's available in the form of plugins and extensions. And there are also different use cases for the usage of RemoveBG. So as I told you before, I've used that 1 credit and I've downloaded one high-res image. If you notice here, the cuts are very precise and it's super clean and the quality is super good. So in case if you have a use case of removing background for multiple images, say if you are in a e-commerce platform where you get to remove background for a lot of products, you can make use of RemoveBG for this. So what you are waiting for? Go ahead and try this tool with your image, and let's catch up later with a new video. Thank you.